Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial video. Today I have got Hero Xoom 125 scooter. So today I'm going to guide you the easiest way to set time and date. So if you have got Hero company scooter or motorcycle having got similar display and function button, then this video will be very helpful to set time and date. Let's get started. Now this is the display of Hero Xoom 125 scooter. If you have got any other scooter or bike of Hero company having got similar display and function button, then this step will even work on those scooter and bikes. Now to adjust time and date in this scooter, you have to simply press mode and set button at the same time for a while. After pressing for few seconds, now you can see here the hour is blinking. To adjust this hour, simply press mode button one by one. So as you see here on the display, the hour is changing. So if you continue pressing like this, you can even change the AM and PM. Now after adjusting the hour, to move towards minute, you have to press set button once. So as you see here, now the minute have been started blinking. Now to adjust the minute, you have to do the same. You have to press mode button. In this way, you can adjust minutes. After adjusting hour and minutes, to move towards date, you have to press set button once. Now you can see here 2023 is blinking. To adjust this year, simply press mode button. This will help you to go forward. 24, 25 in this way. If you continue pressing, the year will go forward. After adjusting year, simply press set button. Now you can see here you can adjust month. The June is blinking here. Now to change the month or to go forward, you have to press mode button one by one. July, August. In this way, you can change the month of a Hero Xoom 125. After adjusting the month, to adjust date and days of a week, simply press set button. Press properly because sometimes this button don't work properly. After pressing set button, you can see here the date is blinking. Simply press again mode button to adjust it or go forward. To go forward, simply press it one by one. You can see here I'm pressing mode button and it is going forward. After adjusting date of a calendar, now to move towards days of a week, simply press again set button. Press properly. Now you can see here the days of a week is blinking. Simply press mode button to go ahead. Saturday, Sunday. In this way you can set time and date of this Hero Xoom 125 scooter. After adjusting these all, to simply keep it fixed, simply press set button. Now it's final and done. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe and like to the video. Thank you very much for watching.